meghalayapost.news.
One, two.
Klur Kyrshan ka Sorkar kami berka Sorkar jela kalong ka jingkru ka bakrau ke Nongrep hakaba mentagasi menteri ramba ka jela u konrat ke sama kumkongsan ulalit ban pelipat ba no ya ka oyster mushroom cluster hamendi pathar ka bahap hapo ka not garu hills ka bri ka wei na ka thong ban Kyntiew ya kayok ka kot ke Nongrep Lyngba ka kamrep tit hapo ka jela ya kani ka project la te hak jinglut ka blakot chaka shpau klur ka badai ka wei na ka thong ka sarkar ban penslur ya ka jingrep tit bat Lyngba kani ka project kamba 6000 ngot ke Nongrep tit kin sayo ya ka jingmentoi ka badai hakani ka wat ka baningkong ya kani ka project bantung tit an pentrikam deka mendi pathar multipurpose cooperative society belailam deka sister rose badru lamang tingka deka scheme SFRUTI deka MSME bat kamba like Klur Kyrshan deka skam Meghalaya habakren hangani gasi menteri ramba ka jelau kanot ke sama ulong bagajing dawa yutit kade gajing dawa hakaleng gari bat ka perthei bat ka jingwara kam kani ka chna trikam kan yarap shibon ni ke Nongrep ulong ru bana kaleng ka Sorkar jela kan simkhya ban pentrikam shibon tili ki program berkerja ni ke Nongrep.
These are the dried mushrooms that are there.
Nakam senana.
Yeah, but definitely it tastes much very differently. So this is the kind of products that are coming out of this. And their packaging is done with this only? Yes. All these machines that you're seeing out here is all powered by solar. So so you can imagine the cold storage as well as the dryers, the crushers, this slicing machine and the crushing machines. All of them are powered by solar energy. About 180 kilowatt kV power has been installed out here. And like this, almost all the processing units that we have put up throughout the state are all on solar power. And if you were to calculate all of that put together, you must be touching almost, hundreds and hundreds of kilowatt of solar energy that we are producing just for the processing sector. So this is a very good example and a great aspect that we are very, very happy about.
meghalayapost.news.